In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter 1099 NEC on TurboTax. To get started, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account and you're on the main tax return screen. From there, go to the federal section. This is where TurboTax organizes the core parts of your tax return, including income, deductions, and credits. Since a 1099 NEC is typically used to report non-employee compensation, you'll be entering it through the income area connected to self-employment. Once you're in federal, move your cursor over income. This helps open the part of TurboTax where all your earnings are managed. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, don't worry. TurboTax sometimes groups things into summary pages first, so the next step is simply to keep following the income path. Now click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you an overview of the different income categories in your return. It's a helpful checkpoint because it lets you confirm whether you've already started entering any business or contract income, or if you're adding it for the first time. On the Wages and Income Summary page, look for the section labeled Self-Employment Income and Expenses, and then click Revisit. This takes you into the area where TurboTax handles freelance, contractor, and independent work income, which is usually where a 1099 NEC belongs. If you earned money outside of a traditional W-2 job, this is the section you'll want. After that, TurboTax may ask a confirmation question, and here you'll click Yes. This usually means the program is checking whether you had self-employment or business-related income to report. Answering yes tells TurboTax to continue guiding you through the setup for this type of income. At this point, there's one important thing to know before going further. You need to be on the premium version of TurboTax to continue in this section. If you're using a lower tier version, TurboTax may prompt you to upgrade before you can fully enter and process your 1099 NEC. This is normal since self-employment income generally requires access to additional tax features and guidance. So, to recap, you'll go to Federal, hover over Income, Open Wages, and Income Summary. Revisit Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Confirm by clicking Yes, and then make sure you're using the premium plan to continue. If you have your 1099 NEC form nearby while doing this, that can make the process much smoother.